How to fix YouTube not showing videos. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgo this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch the network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, make sure you have enough storage in your device. For that, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Now over here you're gonna find different apps that are installed on the device. From here you can delete the unused apps. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, update the YouTube app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over you type in the app name YouTube and then search for it. With that, YouTube will appear. Now at the right corner of it, you will see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, what you can do is you can give a fresh restart to your device. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix YouTube not showing videos. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.